Friends, here I am with the Snap homework and I'm going to help and assist you. Keep watching this video till the end to get acquainted with Snap homework. So let's begin. Tap the Snap homework button and you'll go to the home page. As you can see, I have already registered myself and logged in, so my name is being displayed. At the left hand side corner, you are seeing uh, these three lines. They mean that there is something enlisted in these lines. So let us click on these lines to find out what we can get. Okay, so here you can see that I have already updated my profile photo. When you'll click on your name, you'll get an option to edit your profile. You can display your picture or whatsoever you can do according to your wish. Now there are certain lists: my grades and subjects, class lists, settings, help and support. When you'll click this my grade and subject icon, you'll get to go to your class, grade, and from there you can add on subjects also. Let me show you. Now I have already done, so the classes that which I am taking is already displayed over here: 6y, 7y and 8x. With these are the class code. Okay, I will provide these codes to my students, to the students of this 6y, 7y and 8x, and by using this particular code, they will be joining our classes. If I want to add any more class, I can tap on this button and then add my class. The same thing applies with subjects. Here is the subject. Okay, when you'll click the subject button, you will get the whole list of subjects. Let me show you. So on subjects, I have already selected English. Now I'm going to add all the school subjects which I have to teach. Okay, so add new subjects and see what I'm getting. The complete list. Either you scroll down and find out, or you can type it manually also. Like I am taking English and social science, so already I have selected English. I will be typing social science and see I got it, and then I will press this button done and this subject is already added. See, this subject is added. So I used to take English and social science. If I need to add Dharm Siksha or Sanskrit or whatsoever subject that I have to teach in my class, I can add using this button. Got it? Now let's move back. Let's go to the home page. Now here we are on the home page, and you can see this is there is a plus button. Click on this button and then you will get classroom updates, virtual classes, assignments and SnapSign. We need to click this virtual class, and the moment we click this virtual class, we will get into this setting. I had already told you that if you are doing it for the first time, you will get a page where it will ask how uh, to enter your Zoom ID and password. As soon as you enter your Zoom ID and password, it will take you to the Zoom. Okay, and Zoom will become your integrated app that is supported by Snap Homework. So my classes are already into it: 6y, 7y and 8x. And if I have to select the subject or the date, I will touch on the date. Okay, select subject English. If I need to change the date, I will touch on it. So I'll get the date. Suppose I want to schedule something for tomorrow. Okay, this is the time button. When I'll click here, I'll get the complete clock list to set the time as well. So let me show you. Click here and see. Just move this watch. Suppose I start my class at 6:05 p.m. Okay, then automatically a 40-minute class is scheduled. All I need to do is to save this class. Save. Okay, I have to select grade also. Suppose I am selecting grade 7Y. Okay, I saved this subject social science and I saved this. Now go to the home page. You will get my classes and see my class is already scheduled 6:05 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. You can see here, and the app Zoom. What I need to do when the the day will be changed and the time will come, automatically one start button will be displayed at this point. Tap on start button and start your class. That's it. Simple. So I hope this video is useful for you. Before ending this video, let me show you once again how to connect your Zoom app with your Snap homework. Just tap on those three buttons, then click setting, then go to connected apps, click it, and you will find Zoom and Google Meet. If you want, normally we have selected Zoom for our classes, so we will be connecting Zoom with Snap homework. In any case, at any moment if you want to change, you can change to Google Meet as well. So I hope this video is completely useful. Whatever the confusion was there in the previous video is now resolved. Take your time and practice again. See you again. Bye and take care.